All right, hello everybody. Welcome to the trade recap. This is the trade taken today, Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. Took a long here. What I wanted to see price do was, I told everybody pre-market open. We had liquidity here. I want to see price come tap into, sweep these lows, and then potentially generate liquidity here to the upside and go long. That's what I was looking for. And if you look here at market open, we come take those lows, exactly what I was talking about, what I wanted to see. I went to the lower time frame and we got the complete nice reversal setup here. We had our objectives here clearly stated. We had the inverse gap here, nice reversal off the sweep of sell side here. I would have rather have seen an internal sweep here, breaker formation. Didn't get that. Inverse gap, fair value gap there, clean reversal. Objectives clear to the upside. Higher time frame bias was bullish to that point. So for me, I was loving the setup, and so willing to take the trade regardless of what happens here. So we got that inverse gap entered there on the validation of the inverse of that gap. TP1 was around, if I'm not mistaken, let's see here, 25 points, 25.25. Take profit 2 was around 60 points, something points, and then final take profit would have been a couple runners at 121 points. So what did we do here? We came TP1 tapped, very nice there, and we were heading to take profit 2 here. At this point, I said, okay, guys, we're going break even. We took all of this low resistance liquidity that I wanted to see. That's why we had TP1 there. I said, okay, go break even here. We have 10 a.m. news coming soon, and so I was telling them just be cautious of that. Have your limits ready. If price gets a huge impulse move at 10 a.m., just be cautious of it because it can be quite impactful. And so 10 a.m. came here. I said, have your limits set at break even, and then these here. And what did we do? We came in, bang. Stopped at break even there. Hit TP1, so small profits there. Decent profit day all around, 25.25 points. TP1 nearly went to take profit 2. Didn't get it. Price. If you look on ES, wicked above, and I was telling everybody here, this is exactly what I was telling everyone with ES. I said, when ES was above this 50-minute bearish gap here, and we were trading above right here, I was telling everyone, what you do not want to see for the sake of this trade is ES completely wick and the body come back below. You don't want to see a huge wick and then the body come back below, and that's exactly what we got. And that was one of the signatures. I said, okay, guys, this is signs of a potential reversal, and that's exactly what we got. So break even there. Still made sense. Great trade nonetheless. I'm happy with that. Even had it got fully stopped out, full take profit, partial take profit. At the end of the day, it was a great trade. Just didn't pan out. So that's the trade taken for this session. 25 points, take profit 1, runners at break even. So that's that.